In this video, I will show you how to use Base 44 on your mobile device to build and publish an app. Here's a quick overview of what we'll cover. First, we will build an app, then explore how to edit it and customize it for mobile. After that, we will publish the app and go through the process of installing and using it. The best part is that you can do all of this directly from your mobile device wherever you are. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. To create your app, you can either download the Base 44 mobile app or open any browser and search for Base 44. Go to the Base 44 website and click on Start Building. You will be prompted to log in first. Once logged in, you will see a prompt section where you can describe what you want to build. For example, I entered a prompt asking to build a modern e-commerce website builder where users can create and manage online stores, product listings, cart, checkout, payments, user dashboards, and customizable themes. Essentially, I want an app similar to Shopify. After entering your prompt, press Enter, and Base 44 will begin building your app. You will also see a detailed description of what the AI is generating during this process, which helps you understand exactly what is being created behind the scenes. After a short wait, your app will be ready. Now let's look at how to edit it. Click on the Chat option to make changes. You can describe your desired edits in the form of prompts, press Enter, and the AI will update the app accordingly. This is especially useful for quick updates like fixing a typo, updating content, or making small improvements without needing access to a computer. You can simply open your project, make the change, and publish it instantly. If you want more control over editing, you can log in to Base 44 on a desktop, open the app you created on your mobile device, and continue working on it there. You will see the same app interface. Click here to view a mobile version of your app. From here, you can customize it specifically for mobile use. By clicking on Edit, you gain more advanced editing features, allowing you to select different elements and modify them either manually or with AI assistance. There's also a dashboard available with various settings, and you can access the code from there as well. When customizing for mobile, there are a few important things to keep in mind. Make sure your text is clearly readable without needing to zoom in. Check that all elements fit properly on the screen and that buttons are large enough to be easily tapped. You can also hide unnecessary elements for mobile users to create a cleaner interface. Additionally, you can use the AI chat to request mobile-specific layout changes or directly edit elements visually to optimize the user experience. You will also find an option to connect your project to GitHub, which is helpful if you want to manage your code or collaborate with others. When you're ready to publish your app, click on the Publish option. You can choose to publish it as a website or a mobile app. Publishing directly to the Play Store requires a paid plan. However, there is a free and simple alternative. Select the Web Publishing option. Choose your app's visibility settings. For demonstration purposes, I will select No Login. Then click on Publish App. Once published, you will receive a link to your web app. Open the link, and your app will launch in a new tab. To install the app on your mobile device, tap the three-dot menu in your browser, such as Google Chrome on Android, or the share icon in Safari on iOS, and select Add to Home Screen. Your app will then be installed just like a regular app. Once added, users get one-tap access directly from their home screen, making it feel like a native application experience. Open it, and you'll be able to navigate through each section and see that everything is functioning correctly. One of the biggest advantages here is that there are no manual updates required. Anytime you make changes and publish them, users automatically get the latest version the next time they open the app. This makes maintaining and improving your app incredibly efficient. You can also customize your app's logo by going to the web dashboard, selecting the logo option, and either uploading your own image or generating one using AI. This logo will also appear as the app icon when users add it to their home screen, giving your app a more professional and polished look. Before wrapping up, it's helpful to keep a few things in mind. Features like push notifications may not be available, and while you can publish your app as a web app easily, publishing directly to app stores may require additional steps at a paid plan. Also, while Base 44 apps are designed to work smoothly on mobile, it's always a good idea to test your app on an actual device to ensure everything works as expected. And there you have it. From coming up with an idea on the go, to building, editing, customizing, and sharing it with users, you now know the entire process right from your phone. If you want a detailed step-by-step tutorial on how to build a website using Base 44 on desktop, then you can check out this video right here. If you liked this video, do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching.